What's up, everyone? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Invested Minds YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about a crazy pattern that I see on the chart that potentially is good for the bulls. So, check it out, guys. So, let's jump into the chart, guys. So, first, hold on. We need to talk about the market sentiment, okay? Right now, we saw a dump from 28K, right? Everyone is bearish. Red candles, what will do the dorks? What will do the newbies, the rookies in this market? They will think that everything is bearish, so they will start to sell, to short, okay? How does the market makers will play it? They will make sure these guys, these dorks, these rupees that sold right now around 26K, 25.8 need to jump back at higher prices so they can sell to them and they can make sure they have liquidity above 28K or else. First of all, thank you very much for jumping in. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share the video. Invested Minds YouTube channel. We are there to give you the best analysis about the markets, especially about the crypto markets. So let's jump into the charts. Let's talk business immediately. I'm gonna show you guys a pattern that is pretty interesting that is playing out right now. So I want to zoom in on this pattern right here. We are seeing here is a consolidation here, accumulation, and then a sharp bump to the upside, and then a sharp dump to the downside. It stays here for some while, and then it slowly starts to going up, and then eventually it start going to this, breaking this local pivot high, and then dump further. So breaks this high, everyone is bullish, and then but right there into the 29K again. So I want to talk about this chart very quickly because I told you guys it is potentially bullish for the bulls, but on the short term. So maybe for a small trade, definitely very interesting. So remember this pattern, especially this one here. Let me click that away. We see a dump here, consolidation, accumulation on the short term. It peaks and it goes down. Consolidation, accumulation, and then it goes up. This reminds me, especially right now, on the short-term current price action. Let me go back. So check this out, guys. We see a very interesting development right here. Almost similar price action. We see a dump. We see consolidation, accumulation right here. Sharp bump to the upside, sharp dump to the downside. And maybe we are forming here, Bitcoin is forming here a small double bottom right here and here, and then potentially seeing a bump all the way to the local high. I'm gonna show you right now, guys. And then maybe from here all the way here to this yellow previous support line, or just fakes out above 28.2, and then we can see probably a rejection all the way down from there to 20K, 23K. So why I am on the midterm still bearish Well, first of all, the 32k is for me the make or break level. We need to see that level being broken. If not, there is a higher chance that we visit the 20k for several reasons: to make a double bottom on the bigger time frame, and to make sure that the weak hands leave this market before BlackRock and other major companies start to buying heavily on Bitcoin. And there is also if I don't mistaken, there's also a gap there, a market gap, so it can be filtered around 19.5k. And also, for the big reason, we see this rising wedge here playing out if it goes down to 20k. So this is the pattern that I'm still building on, this major rising wedge, potential double bottom here, again testing these lows again here, and then take off towards December, beginning of 2024. So that is my analysis right now. I'm building my long position on this area. I'm underwater right now a little bit, around $300. So I will be very careful and holding and watching this area very, very sharply. Okay, so I am waiting for confirmation for this double bottom. I started to buy slowly around this area here, around 25,800. And yeah, if we can see it holds right there, we can see a rally above this local pivot here, high, making a fake out, trapping some shorts, taking liquidity, fooling the market, maybe some bullish news again, and then we can see the major dump. But of course, I never know. There is a possibility that this doesn't hold. You see, no, there are no buyers right here that is making sure there is a strong belief of a pump. For now, it can be changed, but I'm also thinking like, okay, we could dump here, but why didn't we dump on the first time, and why didn't we dump further after this major dump right here? Why didn't we go straight away to 24k, 23k? So yeah, the market makers, you like to make fake price action, like to hold positions to dump later on the traders. So for me, I still respect major support right here. I do expect like a fake out somewhere here to this area, to the half of the wick. You see that? And then pump. Then we can see a pump. But for now, I still respect support. I think that support needs to hold because it is a big area here for the buyers. But they really need to step in, and you want to see this pivot here on the short term, this small high right here around 26.11 needs to break, so we can see at least some of a small rally right there. But I'm very skeptical on the midterm, so every rally is a very interesting point to sell. For now, I'm buying, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this analysis for the short term to make a quick buck. I do think that this area will hold, and we can see that the sellers didn't push hard enough, as we stated before. So yeah, I don't know. I'm still respecting the support. We are still holding the support. Hopefully we can see this coming hours some green candles towards this here at least, and yeah, trigger maybe some stop losses from shorts, and trigger some long positions, stop hunting some shorts right there, and see some liquidity grab around 29k, 20.5k, right, this area right there. So thank you very much indeed. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis very fast and quickly, and see you on the next time. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I will post almost every day regarding cryptocurrency, regarding Bitcoin analysis, so you always stay updated what is happening in the charts. Thank you very much indeed, and see you on the next video. Assalamu alaikum.